Hey everybody, Jackie Patterson Jr. here on North Alabama. I'm here to give you a live open house tour here in Black's Landing subdivision. So I'm gonna turn the camera around. We'll go ahead and get started. Okay, again, this is Black's Landing subdivision. This home is located right next door to the Tennessee River. And the best thing about this subdivision, there are no HOA fees. This home is located right in the cul-de-sac. This is an acre of land. This is the home. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. It's located right here in Athens. This is the Limestone County side. So your children would go to Athens City Schools. If you like privacy, you have it. You don't have no neighbors next door. The river is right next door to those, right next door to this house behind those trees. You can see it from the neighbor's house here. All right, let's go inside. This is a 2-car garage. It has an extra door in the back, so you can actually drive your car through this last door here and go to your backyard. Welcome home, everybody. This is a 2-story. The master bedroom is upstairs and the remaining bedrooms are downstairs. This is your kitchen, opening up to your dining area and family room. Now this TV, in front of this TV, there's a projector screen. It does come down like the movie theaters, so you can make it your theater room, entertainment room. But this is your family room here. As you can see upstairs there. Nice view. Oh, let me show you this balcony. This is a covered deck here. And it also opens up to another deck here that's not covered. Nicely staged. Again, an acre of land. Then it wraps around the house. And as you can see, upstairs, they have a deck up there as well. Here are the bedrooms. And y'all, this house have a lot of closet space. Upstairs in the master, they have a his and her closet. So this is like a walk-in right here. Look at that. And these are just the bedrooms downstairs. Here's bedroom number 2. That's the bathroom, washing and dry area, laundry room. And this is the garage. That's that 3rd door there you can drive right through from the front I was telling you about. Let's head upstairs. Oh, this is the half bath here. Look at that nice view downstairs. This is the master. Master has a full bath. And y'all, the plus about this master bathroom, you have your laundry room drop off. So any dirty laundry, just throw it down there to your wash and dryer area. And this is the master. You have 2 walk-in closets, and behind those closets you have a large storage area. Well, that's it. If you're interested in this house, I have my number in the description. If you're unable to come, my appointment, my schedule is 2 to 4 today. If you're unable to come today, I can schedule you in another day. Act on it now.